TMC is a high risk but potentially high reward play that I see a pretty nice juicy arbitrage opportunity in. TMC is a deep sea mining company, but not like any mining company you've ever seen before or we've ever talked about before. They're not blowing up mountains in Chile. They're not strip mining forests in the Congo. No. They're actually going to the bottom of the Pacific Ocean. We're talking 4 to 6 kilometers underwater to collect these things called polymetallic nodules. Now think of these like potato-sized rocks just sitting on the ocean floor, and these are loaded with critical metals. When I think critical metals, I think, ooh, some moolah for Papa Charlie. What kind of metals are we talking about? Nickel, which is great for batteries, cobalt, which is also great for batteries, copper for literally everything, and manganese, which is for steel and, of course, batteries. These are the exact metals the entire world needs for the energy transition. Electric motors, power grids, backup systems for AI data centers, all types of batteries really, and defense systems. All of these components need these metals. And here's where it gets interesting. So in August of 2025, TMC dropped 2 massive technical studies, and folks, the numbers are very, very promising here. They declared the world's first ever mineral reserves for polymetallic nodules, 51 million tons of proven reserves, first in history. Their pre-feasibility study suggests 5.5 billion in net present value, a 27% internal rate of return. Their initial assessment of their broader resources bases shows another 18.1 billion in net present value with a 36% IRR and 57% EBITDA margins at steady state. You add that up and you get around 23.6 billion in combined project value, but the current market cap is in the $2 billion region. Now again, why would it be trading so low? Well, because there is risk with this type of company, but I think the risk is really overpriced here. We're talking about a $2.6 billion market cap on a company that arguably is worth around $23+ billion. What kind of risks are we talking about? Well, obviously execution risk, regulatory risk. There's a lot of things that need to go right, but arguably there's a nice value arbitrage here. If this company ends up winning like I think they're going to win, well, just to get to their actual value, you could see a 10x of upside.